A very good morning to you all, dear students. So today we will start with the new topic under block 25. So the topic of our discussion for today is seeing pictures and hearing sound. Seeing pictures and hearing sound. Okay, without much explanation before we get into a further discussion also, as you can see, right, people they are actually watching, all right, a picture, okay, from a television. Okay, later on we'll be needing that. Now see, our aim for today is students will be able to explain the uses of a television as a way to communicate with others. Resources needed is resource sheet, worksheet, S4, exit content book, and notebook. The keywords we will use today is television and internet. Now, do you watch television? Now, I'm not going to explain to you what is television and internet, okay? You are all very familiar with what is television and internet, okay? So, I hope you got all know, okay? Now, okay, do you watch television and which is your favorite program and why? I hope you all watch television, okay? So, which is your favorite program or channel and why? Alright, you all must have your own favorite channel or program, okay? So you might have a reason for that, right? So you can write your answer, okay? Now today we will learn about the uses of television as a way to communicate with others. Now in our last class we have learned about using radio, right, as a means of communication. So today we will learn about the uses of television as a way to communicate with others. Alright? So I want all of you to read particular point, that is seeing picture and hearing sound, okay? So you can pause the video, all right, and then you can go through this particular situation, all right? So as I read for you, please listen carefully. Point number one: you want to tell people to buy a new car that is available in the market. How will you show this on TV, act it, or using dialogue? Point number two: you want to tell people about a bomb blast that happened in the city. Many people have been hurt or injured. How will you show this on TV, act it, or using dialect? How you are going to show that one, okay? So like if you see a bomb blast, okay, that happened in your city or in our city, like many people actually are injured, all right, how are you going to show this on TV? Point number three: you want to tell people about the heavy rains in the city and how it has affected people. How will you show it on TV? Point number four: imagine you are doing a serial on TV. Show a scene from the serial. All right. This is point number four. Point number five: imagine there is a cricket match happening. This is being shown on TV with someone telling the cricket score and players being out. How will you show this on TV? The last point number six: imagine you are a TV reporter, right? Imagine you are a TV reporter talking to a group of people, okay, to know what they think of a movie. How will you show this on TV? So you have to imagine that you are a TV reporter, okay, talking to a group of people to know what they think of a movie. How will you show this on TV? Alright, so I hope you are actually following me, okay? If not, you can always go through by yourself, posting the video. You can post the video, okay, and then you can read carefully once again. Now from there, see, how are you actually going to present it on TV, the above situations? That one you have to write the answer, okay, by yourself. Now, what did you choose to present it? Why, or like why did you actually choose to present it in this way, and how will it help people when they see this on television? So why did you choose to present it in this way, and how will it help people when they see this on television? Alright, so see, We know, see, television, they have both sound and picture. We can see the picture, a person, and we can hear them speaking, right? So we can hear and see things on the television, okay, unlike the radio or the newspaper. In radio you can hear the people voice, but you cannot see them. So also in newspaper you can see the picture of a person, that is through a kind of picture that is posted, okay, in a paper. And then you can write, you can see the writing, but you cannot hear people speaking, okay. Similarly, therefore it is important not to just say things like the way we could do on radio, but also act it out as people can see what's on television, right? If people hear about urgent messages, they can take steps for their safety. We can also show what's happening in the country and elsewhere, okay? And about new products that are available in the market, like the car, or it can be anything, okay? Any products or mobile phone or such and such forth, right? So those things can be best advertised in the television. Now, what kind of programs do we see on television? How does the television help in giving and sharing information and music? What kind of programs do we see on television? How does the television help in giving and sharing information, music? Alright, so listen here, just to see. Through television, we can watch sports, we can watch news, events, movies, songs, dances, and know the weather report, okay? Among other things. There are other things beside those things, okay? So many programs like sports event are shown live on the television, alright? And also many people can see this even if they are far away from the place where it is happening. Suppose we can watch a football match between Barcelona and Real Madrid from our place, which are actually very far from us, okay? Or you want to see a match of hockey or cricket that is taking place in Mumbai, Kolkata, you can simply watch from your place or from your home, right? So many people can see this, okay, even they are far away from the place where it is actually happening. So for example, we can watch a cricket match on television, right? Like I told you, even if we are far from the city, okay, where the match is actually taking place, right? If the match is taking place at Delhi or Mumbai, we can watch from Kohima or our own hometown, alright? So important news and information can be given to a large number of people, alright, very easily and quickly, unlike a newspaper, alright? So important news and information can be given, okay, to a large number of people very easily. Like if it is happening now, it can be shown as now, okay, as live, unlike a newspaper, okay, which need to go under through printing, and then it need to be circulated by someone, right? Now the last question, okay, in what other ways can we read news, get information, and also see and hear music and movies like we do on the television? So in what other ways can we actually read news, get information, and also see and hear music and movies like we do on the television? Alright, so see, it is from the internet, okay, that is using the computer, right? And I'm sure some of you might have internet, computer at home, okay? So from the internet, using the computer, which has both picture and sound like the television, okay? So computer is very similar to a television, okay, where you can browse and then you can even see the picture and sound, all right? So on the internet we can also read like we do in newspaper, right? You search in news like Times of India, Nagaland Post, you will get in internet, okay, in a computer. So that is how in computer you can see both picture, you can hear the sound like the television, So also you can read newspaper. Okay, now for today you have to complete your practice question number 7 and 8. Practice question number 7 and 8. How does the television help us? How do we know when to use what kind of communication? Along with worksheet S4. Alright, so you please do this for today. That's it. Take care and have a good day.